Hello and welcome to this edition of Goa 365's Story Behind the Story. Welcome to our show, guys. Amarnath, teacher, and as he informs me, he's also a parent and he's also a politician. Candida, she's a parent, vociferous in past things as a parent. And this, welcome. And Shaunak, a student. Welcome, guys. Welcome to our show. Now, I'd like to start with a student because ultimately it is the students who have to go to school. They have to, they have to face everything, whatever is there, and it's difficult to maintain SOPs. It's very simple for anybody, any authority to say, okay, fine, this SOP is ready, that is to be done, that is to be followed. But as a student, I don't know how easy or how difficult it is. So let's see. Yeah, Shaunak, as I was saying, you are in beginning of your higher education and a very crucial part of it because you need to get into different colleges. So what is your feeling about this present situation, Shaunak?
To be very honest, it is rather dissuading that at the beginning of a very crucial year, such as 12th grade, which will go on to influence the path we choose in life and will also go on to tell us which path we choose in life based on our credentials and achievement in this particular year, has been struck by such a calamity. So in a sense, there is a big fear as to what the outcome of this may be, because now it's been almost 6 months and our education has come to some sort of a standstill. Thankfully, due to the hard work of our teachers and then due to certain arrangements and adaptation to the situation, we've managed to complete quite a lot of our portion through the medium of online classes or e-conferencing, as we call it. But there still is that, something very critical to education is the rapport that the student and the teacher shares, and that element of face-to-face learning, which has been totally excluded at this point. And the fact that we've not had any particular examination, or the fact that our academic ability has not got the opportunity to be tested in this situation, is very scary for somebody who's appearing for a public examination in less than 6 months' time from now.
Yes, I can imagine.
So,
absolutely.
Yeah, and when we read about the rate at which the virus has been making its way in Goa, especially in Goa, although the number seems very small on a national average, the average per 100 people is far more than it is pan-India. So the possibility to go to school also seems very frightening at this point. And especially there has been research by the South Korea Institute of Virology that hints that children from the ages of 14 and above are as susceptible as adults to bearing the repercussions of this virus.
Yeah.
So although we are interested in going to school, there is that apprehension at the back of the mind. But by now, in this month of October, almost we have reached October, I think I have come to a consensus that it is absolutely necessary to open schools as of now. Because let us get one thing clear. This situation is not going to relatively improve until the time our board examinations are taking place. If people are assuming in some way that this curve is going to flatten or this curve is going to come down, that kind of study has not been ever undertaken, nor has this trajectory been seen in any other big nation which is comparable to India's path. For example, we can talk about Britain, we can talk about the United States, we can talk about Germany. All countries who had undergone lockdown and who had gone to in some sort of unlock and who had gone towards normalcy have now started implementing lockdown measures again. So it is showing us that there is no possibility of delaying the inevitable. So rather we have...
Okay. That we will take a little later. Now, see what Shaunak says, Amarnath, is that basically the curve is not going to flatten. Up till, when are your boards, March, April, Shaunak?
Yeah, about that.
Yeah, so March, April. So he says there is no choice. Do you feel that's right, Amarnath?
ओके शौनक एके वाटेन सांगता की सिच्युएशन इज फ्रायटनिंग आणि दुसरे वाटेन सांगता की
भिवपाची गरज आसा, नॉट भिवपाची गरज ना.
आणि या एके वाटेन सांगता तो दिवपाची गरज आसा आणि मुखार वचून सांगता की दिवपाची गरज आसली सुद्दां जाल्यार आमी वचपाक जाय. I don't agree with Shaunak, the second part, although I am a parent, a teacher, we miss our students in class. We are feeling very bad. We are in school, but our students are not there. पूण आयज सिट्युएशन इतले वायट आसा की आयज केशी 30,000 सुबेज जाल्ल्यो आसा. दिसाक 7 ते 8 मनीस आमचे गोंयान मरता. आयज आंकडो जर आमी पळयलो, ऑफिशियल आंकडो जर पळयलो, इट इज 376 कालचो आंकडो. आयचो तितून एड जावंक ना. आमी जर पळयले पेडण्या, पणजे, म्हापसा, मडगांव, वाळपय, साखळे, बिचोले, चिंबेल, मडगांव, कुठ्ठाळे, फोंड्या, पर्वरी ह्या वाठारांनी 200 ते 500 कोविड इन्फेक्टेड पेशंट आसात. ते घराकडे होम क्वॉरंटायन जावन रावल्ले आसा. सो हो आंकडो जर पळयत आनी हो आंकडो आयज मेरेन केन्नाच कमी जावंक ना. सो जेन्ना हो आंकडो वाडत आसा आनी दुसरे वाटेन आमचे हेल्थ प्रिपेरेशन, ट्रिटमेंट दिवपाचें आमचें प्रिपेरेशन सामकें बाबत जावन आसा. आनी तेका आमी ह्या सगळ्या सिट्युएशनान हे जो आंकडो वाडटा पेशंटाचो आनी मरपी लोकांचोय आंकडो वाडटा, तो कमी केन्ना जावंक ना. सो अशा परिस्थितीन आमच्या माणकुल्या भुरग्यांक त्या संकटान घालप हें कितलें योग्य हेचेर म्हाका दिसता आमी सगळे एक मनीस जावन आमी विचार करचो पडटलो. इस्कॉल हे गरजेचें, पालकांक सुद्दां, टिचरांक सुद्दां आनी स्टुडंट्सांक सुद्दां गरजेचें. पण त्याच बरोबर सगळ्यांचें लायफ हें चड गरजेचें. एक वर्स समजा, हांव अशें म्हणना की एक वर्स वचो न्ही, समजा इम्प्रुवमेंट अशें जालें ना जावं कितें तितून सुदारणा जाली ना, तर एक वर्स भुरग्याचें जर गेलें तर तितून व्हडलेशें लॉस जावचें ना. पण जर भुरग्याचें पुराय लायफ गेलें जाल्यार तेका जबाबदार कोण आसतलो? ते जिवीत मनशाचें परतून कोण हाडटलो? हें म्हजें म्हणणें आसा.
Okay. Yeah. Now, Candida, as I was saying, there are slightly two same but divergent, two different ways of looking at things, but the same issue. So, तुमका कितें, तुम्ही कितें म्हणणें आहे हेजेर, Candida? What is your view on this? What's your opinion, view, whatever?
See, my thing is that I don't want to send my children to school. Okay, for one reason is because I don't know how safe it is to have my children in the school. Okay, so I am very sure about that, because like there's a saying, a bird in a hand is worth two in the bush. Okay, an uneducated child is worth for me than not having a dead child in my hand. Okay, and I can't afford to send my child there for the sake of education and then bringing some kind of an infection back home, because I also have a aged mother-in-law in the house, and putting everything at risk. I can keep everything on hold for a year. I can. And I think as a mother, I will definitely never send my children until and unless I'm 100% sure that my children are safe in the school. I will not do that. That is my opinion.
Yeah, now valid. It's a valid opinion, no doubt. But now what we see here are two different perspectives, different generations. One is the student whose career is on the line. For a student at that age, students think they are invincible. Shaunak, we all thought we were invincible when we were your age. And then there is as a teacher and a parent. By the way, Amarnath also is a parent. His kids are in 10th and in D1. And yours also, Candida. And even if you go to see even mine, my kids also are in school and college. So two different perspectives. So
see,
the
what actually I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
Glenn, the thing is, I can understand Amarnath's point of view because his son is in the 10th, I think he said. So at the moment, when the government or all the stakeholders who are taking a decision for our children, okay, I think there have to be people from all walks of life there. Okay, now people in 10th, people in 12th, these are thresholds for their careers, for their future. Okay.
Absolutely.
I don't see why a pre-primary child, why a primary child, why a starting 5th, 6th, 7th standard child has to be in school. Okay, it can be covered up from online. See, now we are coming to a generation, and Shauna, I really appreciate the fact that you're saying that yes, this thing is not going to change, and maybe not for a long time, because we are not getting time to study this virus as much as time we should have got. Okay, and I fully agree with you with that, of course. But what I'm talking is about, why about the lower classes, why about the ninth and below? Can't we get better? Can't the stakeholders start taking a decision for those children?
Okay,
10th
okay,
and 12th,
okay, okay, Candida. Yeah, okay. We'll go into solutions later. Right now, we're just trying to put the problem on the table right now. Yeah, Shaunak, this is you. Yes.
If I may add, I'm sorry if my opinion felt conflicting at the beginning.
Absolutely
that was not.
not.
My intent.
This is a forum to give all types of opinion. You can give whatever
No.
opinion you want. Please, please.
Because the reason I mentioned the catastrophe at hand was to provide background to
Correct.
my view.
Yes.
And as Madam said, I am of the exact same opinion as her. School should open only for the students who are appearing for the purpose of public examination. That is 10th standard and that is 12th standard. And school should open on what basis? You said you are not discussing the solution right now, but I'll just briefly delve into it if it's not an issue.
Okay.
Yeah. So what I'm suggesting is that one thing is, all schools of the Goa board or the ICSC or the CBSE who are sending their students for a public examination have classrooms right from 1st to 10th. Okay. So I'm suggesting an odd even basis of students to attend class, and the classroom to be arranged in such a manner that social distancing is maintained to the best of our ability, that
Shaunak,
there is teacher supervision
let
on
me
entry
interrupt.
and exit.
Yes, agreed. This is a solution, a very well thought out solution, I'm sure. But I want to ask you another question. My issue is this. Then I want to go to Amarnath because he's a teacher, but it's on the same issue. Now, for example, I'm talking about, forget about the lowest classes and whatever. I don't think that the lower class should be sent at all for school. It's an extremely stupid and very risky decision which can blow up in the face of this government. It's not been a well thought out thing. Even the center,
Agreed,
I'm sorry
agreed.
to say. Yeah, but what I want to ask you is about this 10th, 12th, and maybe TY. Now, 10th and 12th, fine. See, a lot of the humanities, the arts, even the sciences can be taught online. People are doing PhDs online. People are doing masters online. People are doing research online.
शौनक असा पळय तो इज स्टेइंग इन सिटी. तुम्ही या आय एप्रिशिएट शौनक इज स्मार्ट. तो शारदा मंदिरान शिकता. पण ह्या हितून डिबेटान जर तुम्ही एक गांवगिऱ्या वाठारान रावपी जर स्टुडंट इन्वायट केल्लो जाल्यार बरें जावपाचें. जशें
Next
की
time
आमी
we do it,
वाळपय
for sure.
म्हण, पेडण्या म्हण, सांग्या और नेत्रावळी या इंटिरियर काणकोण, ते रियल प्रॉब्लम फेस बाय स्टुडंट्स ते सांगपाक शकतले. शौनकाक एक प्रॉब्लम कितें ना, कितें ऑनलायन आसा, ते सिटीन रावता, तेका कनेक्टिविटी बरी आसा.
We are going into a short break. Stay with us. Yeah. Okay, it's fine. Now, Amarnath, I will get back to you. When we start, you continue the point. And then I want Shaunak to speak on basically, you know what, on why it's so important for you, why you feel it's so important for you to go to school. Yeah. Okay, let me. Yeah, one second. Yeah. Okay. Welcome back. Amarnath, sorry, before the break you were saying?
हांव म्हणटा कितें, ह्या सरकारान कांयच स्टडी करूंक ना. हे सरकार प्रिपेर ना. ह्या सरकारा कडेन कांयच फिजिबिलिटी रिपोर्ट ना. बाबा हे केल्या उपरांत कितें जातलें, फिजिबिलिटी रिपोर्ट आसूंक जाय. एक जर घर बांदतले जाल्यार ताका सगळे वाटेनसून रिपोर्ट मागता, एनओसी मागता, हेल्थाची, हेची तेची सगळ्यो. सो तश्यो ह्या सगळे जे स्टेक होल्डर आसा, सगळे जे बुद्धवंत लोक आसा, सगळे दोतोर आसा जावं कोण बरे आसा, जेका ह्या सिच्युएशनाची बरी म्हायती आसा ते करूंक शकता, असल्यांची आयज तरी सरकारान मिटींग घेतल्या ना घेवंक. सो सरकार हे गंभीर ना. तेचे कितें जाला, सरकाराचे उखल्लो फातर मारलो झाडार, पडलो जाल्यार पडलो आमो, ना जाल्यार परतून येवन आपणाचेरच पडलो, असले हेंची गत जाल्ली आसा. अदमास पंचे धावोदशे हे सरकार जे आसा, अदमास पंचे धावोदशे जाता ते जाता. पयलीं सांगलें केन्ना तरी ऑगस्टान स्कुलां चालू करूंक शक्य आसा जाल्यार पळोवया. मागीर म्हटलें सप्टेंबरान, आतां ऑक्टोबरान. म्हणजे हे सरकार पयलीं सिरियस ना. हेंचे कडेन सिरियसनस म्हणटा ते एक वानांकसून कांयच ना. एक तुमी भुरग्यांकडे खेळपाची गरज ना. ह्या भुरग्यांकडे खेळो नाका, ही माणकुली भुरगीं. तुमी पयलीं तुमची तयारी ना. आयज जीएमसी तुमची जी हालत आसा कोविड हॉस्पिटलां, जावं ती जीएमसी, जावं ते ईएसआय, जावं ते इतर जाग्यार जे कोविड हॉस्पिटलां आसा, थंयसर तुमची हालत पळयात. आयज सकाळची खबर की स्ट्रेचराचेर पेशंट आसा, जमनीर न्हिदलेले पेशंट आमी पळयल्या. तुमचे कडेन यंत्रणा सारकी ना, तुमचे कडेन इक्विपमेंट सारखे ना, तुमचे कडेन तुमच्या स्टाफाक, हेल्थाच्या स्टाफाक दिवपाक पीपीए किट ना, सादे मास्क दिवपाक ना. असल्या सिच्युएशनान आमची भुरगीं जर स्कुलाक गेली आणि तांकां जर कोरोना व्हायरस लागलो जाल्यार तेंचे मागीर कितें जातलें? तुमी तेचेर काळजी घेवपाक तयार आसा? तुमचे कडेन कितें प्रिपेर्डनेस आसा? तांकां ऑक्सिजन लागले, तांकां व्हेंटिलेटर लागलो, तें प्रोविजन तुमी भुरगे कशे ट्रॅव्हल करतले? ट्रॅव्हल करतना तांकां वाटेक कितें जातलें? हेचेर कितें तुमी चिंतलां? कांयच चिंतूंक ना. तुमकां चिंतपाची गरज आसा, तुमकां भियोवपाची गरज आसा. कित्याक हे जो तुमी चालू करूंक सोदता ते स्कूल चालू करूंक सोदता आणि स्कुलान माणकुली भुरगीं येतलीं आणि त्या भुरग्यांचो जीव धोक्यान घालपाचो तुमकां कसलोच अधिकार ना.
Yes, I agree. Okay, Shonak, importance of why you
Yeah.
need to go to school, you feel,
Okay.
or then
Yeah.
we'll move into your solution. I'll give you, then you start
Okay.
with a part of a solution, then
Yeah.
I'll go to Candida for solutions.
So I do appreciate the very passionate argument shared by my fellow speaker. But when I
Hopefully we are all passionate
I-
here, and not just time pass. Yes.
I because I am aware, see, if you take solely my plight into consideration, I can
Yes.
be very, selfish and say that I do not need school to start. Because for me, my school has taken all that precaution. I have access to all those facilities, whatever it is, the resources, all of that. The reason we are talking about opening schools largely is also because lot of people in rural areas do not find it accessible to such kind of technology, and the government solution on that has not been fulfilled. But regarding the reason on which the government must open school is that one thing, you are talking about an entire generation over here, an entire generation's social and economic needs. Okay, this will go on to influence Indian society for the better half of the next 20 years. This particular delay of 1 or 2 years, although on paper it looks like a very small thing to us, we feel that 1 year can be wasted. Wasting 1 year is not that simple of an idea. We don't know the social brunt and the economic brunt that it ensues.
Yes, very well put argument.
Yeah.
Absolutely, very well put.
The
argument.
main reason,
Amarnath?
let me just
Yes.
the main
Yeah.
reason I said schools have to open is, let us get one thing clear. Public examinations for this year are not being postponed.
Yes,
Any kind of entrance examination, public examination is not going to be postponed.
fair enough.
So let schools open and leave it to the discretion of the parents whether they want to send their students or not. But give us that choice.
सरकारान पयलीं हे सिच्युएशन हँडल करपाक तयार. फाल्यां समज हे आमच्या भुरग्यांक लागू जालें, हांवूय म्हणटा म्हाकाय जाय, म्हाजो भुरगो 10वेन आसा, म्हाजेय चली जस्ट नाव शी पास्ड आउट TY BSc and she is in MSc नाव. म्हाकाय जाय, पण त्याच बरोबर सरकारान कितें तयारी आसा सरकाराची? फाल्यां सकाळ समज आमची भुरगीं दुयेंस पडली जाल्यार हेंची जतनाय घेवपाक सरकारा कडेन तयारी आसा? आयज सामान्य जनतेची जेन्ना
Correct.
स्कुलां बंद आसा तेन्नाच आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांची जतनाय घेवपाक, तांकां आरोग्य सुविधा दिवपाक हे सरकार अपयशी ठरलेलें आसा. अशा परिस्थितीन हे सरकार आमच्या स्टुडंट्सांक जर कितें जालें जाल्यार तेंची
Point.
खबरदारी घेवपाक, तांकां ट्रिटमेंट
Point.
दिवपाक हेंची तयारी आसा? कांयच ना.
Canada on this. Amarnath, just
सदां
right.
पळयता.
Canada, yeah. On this point, please, Canada.
No, my thing is, I am actually in between this now. Okay, because from Ambernath's side, I am definitely agreeing with the fact that I feel unsafe to send my children to school is because I feel the government is definitely not prepared on any ground to handle a bigger situation to happen. Okay. Secondly, from Shona's point of view, I agree that okay, we are going to be having, even losing 1 year is going to make a big difference to a student's life. Okay. So I am in the middle. I am a mother. I have no other professional kind of background to anything. I am a mother. At the end of the day, Shona, at the end of the day, Mr. Ambarnath, I need to know one thing. If I send my child to school, will my child be safe? Would I have to think, oh Lord, if I had not sent my child, would it have been a better choice? Would the child come back with infection? So this is such a big this is such a big problem. And what Ambarnath is saying is 100% correct. Is I think the actual stakeholder holders to take decisions are not being put into these committees. We are just randomly hearing about committees. We are hearing about medical committee. 1 week ago, you announced 12,000 rupees a ward in a private room. Suddenly, you come down with some kind of, I mean, this doesn't sound like a government who knows where they are going. And how do you want me as a parent to feel comfortable to send my child? Okay, we have a pandemic happening in the world since the month of Jan. Our central government slept over it and made it aware to us only in the month of March. From March, they know the schools have to start, they have exams to be answered. I think it's a total failure. But again, I don't know whether these people were actually prepared to work for it, because our government works in two ways. एक तो मेरी भलाई हो और फिर दुनिया की भलाई हो. So first they were probably taking care of their own bhalai, and then they were taking care of other people's
Fair,
bhalai.
okay,
Understood, no? So my thing is, as a parent, I feel I don't want, no, I just feel that the parents are right now, I'll tell you, Shona, we are all afraid ke bhai, I'll send my child to school, okay?
But
Will I regret my decision?
on one point, before I get to you, Shonak, I want to make a point. Now, as a parent, what Canada is trying to say is that as a parent, if you lose a year, or my son or my daughter loses a year, it's fine. It's not, nothing is going to happen. Nothing, believe me. But that same year you can do next year. What we have to do as parents, not you, I'm not blaming you, like people like Amarnath, teachers, parents like Canada, me, we have to force the government and tell him, boss, you have to ensure that the schools and colleges do not put that black mark on this saying that you missed a year. If not, we will come on the streets and squeeze your neck. That's what we have to do to the students. Second thing, now we are starting on 2nd of October. Today is the 24th. I want to know, now you guys are teachers, you are a teacher. I want to know, we are, at least Shonak, you and me, we are not going to school. Amarnath, I want to know what the government has done till date in your school, in your college, to get ready to ask the students to come back to college. What have they done? Which Balrath has been sanitized? Where the tables and chairs spacing has been done? What? Amarnath, this is a question specifically to you about your school or college. Wait, just a sec.
Hey, माझ्या स्कुलान हिच्या नेटवर्कचा प्रॉब्लेम आसात. मध्ये मध्ये येता वयता. वी आर ऑल युजिंग our net personal net. School has, but it is not working. आमचे
But suppose,
classes
one second, let me
systematic
interrupt.
चलता.
1 minute. Now, if
Yeah.
your net,
Yeah.
personal net works, what is there for the government to ensure that the school net doesn't work properly? If your phone works and if your net works, then why the school network cannot be put properly? We are talking about ease
So,
of doing
Glenn-
business. We are talking about why they cannot ensure that this is done. What is the problem?
Glenn, working my net is not the solution. Net, we have students has a problem of network. Students,
Fair.
they don't have laptop, they don't have mobile.
Yes.
Some have mobile but no connectivity. So problem anga कित्याक आता तू anga उलयता कित्याक you have brains but government doesn't have any brains. तू उलयता बालरथ, this is all solution. See, this is all solution. Government बालरथ आसा, सगळे आसा. So what Shaunak was telling about SSC 12th standard, there is solution. There is solution, and government is the one who should come up with solution. Is government prepared? Is government working on? ना उखललो फातर मानलो पडलो पडलो आमो नाजाल्यार परतून फातर पडलो माथ्यार. असली परिस्थिती जाल्या. आमचो सीएम आयज बसून कितें तयार आसा? सीएमा कडेन आयज स्टॅटिस्टिक्स आसा की कितल्यो खाटी कितल्यो अवेलेबल आसा आनी इमर्जन्सी येयल्यो जाल्यार कशे तरेन हँडल करतले. सीएमान ही पयली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवची. स्कुलां चालू करच्या आदी ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवची. आमकां एज अ पेरंट स्कुलां चालू एज अ टीचर आमकांय दिसता की भुरगे स्कुलान येवचे आमकां ते बरें दिसता शिकोवपाक खूब प्रॉब्लेमॅटीक जाला हांव घेवन लॅपटॉप घेवन शिकयता पूण दुसऱ्या वाटेन भुरगे ते लॅपटॉप घेवन जावं मोबायल घेवन कितें करता हे आमकां कांयच कळना
खबर
वेदर दे आर
ना.
किपींग or and going away we don't know जेन्ना ऑनलायन टीचिंग स्टार्ट जालें सीएमान बोवाळ जाता म्हणून एक स्टेटमेंट केलो कितें स्टेटमेंट केलो की ऑनलायन क्लासेस आर नॉट इम्पॉर्टंट दुसऱ्या दिसाकसून भुरगे जे येताले ते बंद जाले आयज आमी जेन्ना क्लासीक लिंक धाडटा आयज लिंकार 50% सुद्धा स्टुडंट थोडे निमता करता थोडे खऱ्यांनीच नेटवर्क ना थोडे भुरगे निमताय करता सो देर इज वी कॅनॉट कंट्रोल सीएमूच जेन्ना सांगता इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी जे कोण येताले ते सो पेरंट्सांकूय जर दिसता इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी सगळे परत शिकयतले सो एका जबाबदार आमचो जो हेड आसा तो जबाबदार तो तेकाच डायरेक्शन ना तेकाच विजन ना तेचे कडेच कॅपॅसिटी ना की सगळे स्टेक होल्डर आसा जे एक्सपर्ट आसा तांकां हाडून हेचेर विचार करपाक जाय सगळी यंत्रणा जाग्यार घालपाक जाय हेल्थ फॅसिलिटी प्रोवायड करूंक जाय नाजाल्यार मागीर हे प्रायव्हेट हॉस्पिटल जीएमसीन तुमचे कडेन यंत्रणा ना मागीर आमी कितें भुरग्यांक आमच्या प्रायव्हेट हॉस्पिटलान घालतले गरीब लोक ज्या जाग्यार 10,000 तुम्ही वोटान 13,000 कोण ट्विन शेअरिंग मागीर 16
run out of time. I've crossed time. Yamanat,
आणि मागीर
we have run out of time. We'll have this discussion again. We'll
all these facility students I am talking about students
Yes, yes.
in fact आणि त्यांका
Amarnath.
हॉस्पिटलान व्हरचे पडले
Yeah.
As a-
Amarnath, we'll have this discussion next week. We'll have it again. I have run out. I've crossed the time and I still need to give closing statements of two. Shaunak, quick last words, please, and then Candida. Quick, but make it quick. We've not reached the solution still, but we've run out of time. I'm sorry. Quick.
So I do agree with the whole thing regarding preparedness and all, and I do suggest that the government needs to have a strong policy or a plan of action in place.
Implementation
But
more
answering the
important.
primary-
Policy they have.
Yeah.
Implementation.
No, implement policy also has not been framed to the extent that we would like it, covering all the possible aspects. So once that policy and all has been framed, what I'm saying is whether the answer is school should open or not, the answer is yes. When that I feel should be done as soon as possible, as much as so you can ensure the maximum precautions being undertaken. Furthermore than that, government is not some astrologer to give you answers regarding questions because these are unprecedented circumstances. The last time we had something like this of a lockdown of some sort, only 10% of our country was educated in the year 1918. Today when we are moving towards higher literacy rate, so on and so forth, it is government can't tell you can't give you a blanket.
Okay.
My last words are that I am not sending my children to school until I am 110% sure that they will not get infected. And you can give me whatever SOP you want, give me whatever policy you want, and whatever you throw into my plate. I am refusing to accept it till I know my children are safe for myself.
Okay. Thank you, Amarnath. Thank you, Shaunak. Thank you, Candida. Thanks for watching Goa 365.